Hello investors, I'm Stuart Kruse and welcome to Kruse Asset Management's Trading Tuesday, where we go over some trades that we made from our quantitative portfolio. This week is the iQVP, or the International Quantitative Value Portfolio, where we take fundamental characteristics of stocks that have tended to lead towards outperformance in the past, and we buy stocks with those characteristics today and sell stocks with the characteristics that have fallen out of favor. So what do we have for us for today for some trading ideas? Well, there'll be 3 buys and 3 sells that we have in our iQVP strategy. And without further ado, let's go to the charts. And up on the screen I have here is a year, 1 year chart. Maybe we do year to date. I guess it's about the same. Let's do year to date of the international chart. So we're up 3%. The S&P is up much further, but we're talking about international stocks. So what we're buying is Orange, which is a telecom sector. It's clearly underperformed. ICICI Bank also underperformed. And ABEV, which is a brewery, largest brewery in Latin America, has significantly underperformed this year. And that's pretty much what we're looking for. We're looking for strategies that are out of favor, that have potential for the run-up. So I know people that are picking things for the reemergence story. These could be some stocks that happen to be great reemergence story stocks. But instead of me just picking them out of the hat, the computer chose them based off their characteristics and fundamentals. So let's take a look at their PE ratios. I'm going to, let's just take a look at what we have, these 3 basic stocks with the PE ratios, and let's go to a absolute value. So here the PE ratios of Orange is at 11, and then the other 2 are at 25. So maybe a little higher than what would normally happen in some of our names. But again, we use 10 to 15 characteristics to make these evaluations. So some of them are earnings, some of them are asset efficiency, some of them are valuation, some of them are actually technical momentum. So this is what we came up with this month. And then as for the sells, so we've got buying Orange, ICICI, and ABEV. And as for the sells, we're going to go to a similar situation. Here is our year-to-date of the IFA, again, up 3%. And if we looked at Sanofi, Royal Philips, and Novo Nordisk, when we look here, we see most of them outperforming. So now these are sells. So we're replacing these outperforming stocks with stocks that have underperformed. So over the last year or year to date, the majority of these stocks have outperformed. And we're going to look at their PE ratios again. And let's go to single panel. Here we go. So if we are looking at the absolute value of the PE ratios, stocks that we are selling, your Sanofi looks like they had a bad earnings sell-off, so that's a problem. Low PE there. And then you have higher PE, 37 and 26. So kind of about in line, but at the end of the day, it looks like some of the prices have got a little bit more expensive maybe on some other metrics. And so those are the names we're selling. So there you have it. 3 buys and 3 sells from KAM's iQVP portfolio. We'll give you a report card later in the year to show you exactly how we've done. But with these swaps, looks like we've done okay. Well, at least we've sold out of positions that have, on a relative strength, outperformed the international portfolio and replaced them with stocks that should have some more potential. Okay, so this is Stuart Kruse with Kruse Asset Management on our Trading Tuesday, trying to help you and our clients to live your life with the odds in your favor.